I walked into my friend's apartment last month and immediately thought, this place looks expensive. But here's the thing, she's not rich. Same budget as me, same IKEA furniture, same rental restrictions. The difference? 7 strategically placed plants. Not random plants, not whatever was on sale at Home Depot, specific plants that interior designers use to make spaces look like they cost 10 times more than they actually do. Here's what I learned. Expensive-looking homes aren't about expensive things. They're about the right things in the right places. And plants? They're the cheapest way to fake luxury. I'm about to show you 7 plants that professional designers use to make million-dollar homes look million-dollar. Plants that say, I have my life together without saying a word. Most cost $20 to $50. Some you can propagate for free. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which plants to buy and where to put them to make your home look like it belongs in Architectural Digest. Let's make your space expensive. Plant number 1, fiddle leaf fig, the status symbol tree. Why it looks expensive? This is the plant you see in every high-end hotel lobby, designer showroom, and luxury home tour. Those huge violin-shaped leaves, that architectural structure, the sheer presence it commands in a room. It screams, I invest in quality. The designer secret. Interior designers use fiddle leaf figs as living sculptures. They're not just plants, they're statement pieces that anchor a room. One 6-foot fiddle leaf fig has more visual impact than 3 medium plants combined. Where to place it? Empty corners in living rooms, instantly filled with luxury. Next to a neutral sofa, creates that magazine-worthy vignette. Flanking an entryway, hotel lobby vibes immediately. The right pot matters. Skip the plastic nursery pot. Put it in large white ceramic planter, clean, modern, natural woven basket, organic luxury, matte black pot, contemporary edge. The pot should be simple and expensive looking. The plant is the star. Care level, medium. Fiddle leaf figs are dramatic. They drop leaves if unhappy. Bright, indirect light, water when top 2 inches of soil dry, don't move it around. Cost, $30 to $80 depending on size. Sounds expensive, but it's a one-time investment that transforms your space. Number 2, Monstera Deliciosa, the Instagram luxury plant. Why it's expensive looking? Those iconic split leaves, that tropical jungle luxe aesthetic, the architectural drama. Monstera say, I traveled to Bali and brought the vibe home. The designer appeal? Every minimalist luxe interior features a Monstera. It's become synonymous with expensive taste. The larger the leaves, the more splits, the more I clearly know what I'm doing energy it projects. Placement strategy. Mid-century modern living room, instant designer credibility. Behind a velvet sofa, adds depth and luxury layering. In a bright bedroom corner, boutique hotel aesthetic. Styling tip, let it climb. Give it a moss pole or wooden stake. Vertical Monstera equals next level sophistication. Trailing or climbing plants look intentional. Bushy plants look random. The pot, terracotta for organic modern vibes, white ceramic for Scandinavian luxury, large woven basket for coastal expensive. Care, easy, bright indirect light, water weekly, wipe those big leaves to keep them glossy. Dusty leaves ruin the luxury look. Cost, $25 to $60 for a decent-sized plant. Propagate it in water and you can create multiple plants for free. The cheat? Can't afford a huge, mature Monstera? Buy a small one for $15 to $25 and let it grow. Monsteras grow fast in the right conditions. Within a year, you'll have that expensive look for a fraction of the price. This is the plant that makes people think you shop at West Elm. Plant 3, snake plant. Plant 3, snake plant, but not the small one, the tall architectural variety. Why this works? Small snake plants look basic. Tall snake plants, 3 to 4 feet, look like modern art. Those clean, vertical lines, that structured, graphic look, the minimalist sophistication. Designer favorite, Snake plants are the go-to for high-end minimalist interiors because they look expensive while being indestructible. Perfect clean lines, no mess, just pure visual impact. Where designers put them? Flanking a fireplace, symmetrical luxury. In narrow spaces, hallways between furniture, uses vertical space elegantly. Grouped in odd numbers, 3 or 5, in matching pots, curated collection vibe. The right variety? Laurenti, tall with yellow edges, classic luxury. Black gold, dark dramatic leaves, moody expensive. Cylindrica, round spear-like leaves, sculptural modern. Avoid the short, bushy varieties. Go tall and architectural. Pot choice? Tall, cylindrical white pot, gallery vibes. Matte black tall planter, contemporary luxury. Concrete or cement pot, industrial chic, expensive. Care? Easiest plant on this list. Water every 2 to 3 weeks, tolerates low light, literally thrives on neglect. Cost? $20 to $40 for a tall snake plant, often cheaper than fiddle figs, but creates similar visual impact. The strategy? Buy 3 medium-height snake plants, $15 each, group them together in identical pots, instant expensive-looking plant installation for $45 plus pots. This is the plant that makes your space look professionally designed. Number 4. Bird of Paradise, the tropical luxury statement. The expensive factor, those massive banana-like leaves, that exotic resort-like presence, the I clearly have space and style energy. Bird of Paradise screams luxury vacation brought home. Why designers love it? It adds height, 6 to 8 feet indoors, without taking up much floor space. One plant, maximum drama, minimal footprint. Ideal placement. Corner of a bright living room. Instant focal point. Next to floor-to-ceiling windows, and emphasizes height and light. In a reading nook, creates a private tropical oasis. Styling secret. Bird of Paradise looks best alone. It's a solo star, not a supporting cast member. Don't crowd it with other plants. Give it space to be the showpiece. Pot selection? Large white planter, clean and fresh. Natural fiber basket, organic luxury. Tall, tapered pot, emphasizes vertical drama. Care requirements? Needs bright light, ideally near a window. Water when top inch of soil dries. Wipe those big leaves regularly. Dusty leaves kill the luxury vibe. Cost? $40 to $100 depending on size. On the higher end, but one plant does the work of an entire plant collection. The truth? Bird of Paradise won't bloom indoors. It needs full outdoor sun for that. But you're not buying it for flowers. You're buying it for those giant tropical leaves that make every room look like a 5-star resort. This is the plant that makes people ask, is this your vacation home? Plant 5. Olive tree, the European sophistication plant. Why it looks expensive? Olive trees are synonymous with Mediterranean luxury, Tuscany, Provence, Santorini. Those silvery green leaves, that gnarled, aged trunk, the I summer in Europe aesthetic. The designer move, olive trees make spaces look worldly and traveled without a single piece of travel decor. It's understated luxury, the kind that doesn't try too hard. Perfect placement. Sunroom or bright living room, needs lots of direct light. Flanking French doors or large windows, European villa energy. In a balcony or patio if you have one, instant Mediterranean courtyard. Size matters. Get a 4 to 6 foot tree minimum. Small olive trees look like sad houseplants. Large olive trees look like expensive design investments. Pot strategy? Terracotta, classic Mediterranean. Large white ceramic pot. Modern coastal luxury. Aged concrete or cement look planter. Old world elegance. Care? Needs lots of direct sunlight, 6+ hours daily. Water deeply but infrequently, let soil dry between waterings. Can go outside in summer, which makes it even happier. Cost, $60 to $150 for a good-sized olive tree. Investment piece, but worth every dollar for the look it creates. The reality, olive trees are surprisingly low maintenance if you have bright light. No bright light? Skip this one and choose something else from the list. The effect, an olive tree in your living room makes people assume you have a vacation home in the Mediterranean. This is expensive looking through cultural association. Number 6, rubber tree, Burgundy, the Moody luxury plant. Why it's expensive? Most plants are green. Burgundy rubber trees are deep, dark, almost black. That rich, dark color, those glossy, oversized leaves, the dramatic, sophisticated presence. It's the black velvet sofa of plants. Designer appeal? Dark plants add depth and luxury that green plants can't. They create visual weight. They anchor a space. They look curated and intentional. Where to use it? Moody, dark-walled rooms, doubles down on drama. Against white walls, creates stunning contrast. Next to jewel-toned furniture, adds richness and layers. The styling rule, pair it with metallics, brass, gold, or copper pots and accents. The combination of dark burgundy leaves and warm metals equals instant luxury. Pot choices, matte black planter, monochromatic elegance. Brass or copper pot, warm, opulent contrast. Deep charcoal ceramic, tonal sophistication. Care, easy, bright indirect light, too much direct sun fades the dark color. Water when top 2 inches of soil dry. Wipe leaves to maintain that glossy, expensive sheen. Cost, $25 to $50 for a medium-sized plant. Affordable luxury. The variety, looks specifically for rubber tree burgundy or Ficus elastica burgundy. Regular green rubber trees are nice. Burgundy ones look expensive. The impact? A burgundy rubber tree makes your space look like it was designed by someone who understands color theory and sophistication. This is the plant that elevates your entire aesthetic. Plant number 7, large potted palm, the hotel lobby luxury. Why palms look expensive? Every luxury hotel lobby has a palm, every high-end spa, every resort entrance. Palms are psychologically associated with relaxation, vacation, and premium experiences. Best varieties for indoors: Areca palm, feathery, full, tropical. Quintia palm, elegant, arching, sophisticated. Both tolerate indoor conditions. Both look expensive. Placement strategy: large empty corners, instantly filled with luxury. Behind seating areas, adds height and frames the space. Entryways, sets the tone immediately. The size rule: go big or go home. Small palms look sad and cheap. You want a palm that's at least 5 to 6 feet tall, the kind that makes a statement. Pot selection: large basket planter, organic resort vibes. Tall white planter, clean modern hotel aesthetic. Oversized terracotta, Mediterranean luxury. Care: medium difficulty, needs bright indirect light, likes humidity, mist occasionally. Water when top inch of soil dries, don't let it sit in water. Cost: $50 to $120 for a large, impressive palm. On the higher end, but creates instant hotel lobby luxury. The hack: can't afford a huge palm? Buy a medium one, $30 to $40, and put it on a tall plant stand. Height creates impact. Elevating it adds instant drama for less money. The effect: a large palm makes your home feel like a destination. It's vacation energy. It's I have arrived energy. It's expensive without trying. This is the plant that makes people feel relaxed and impressed the moment they walk in. 7 plants, 7 ways to fake luxury. Here's my challenge. Pick one plant from this list, just one. Match it to your space. Empty corner, fiddle leaf fig or palm. Modern minimal, tall snake plants. bright and tropical, Monstera or bird of paradise, moody and dramatic, Burgundy rubber tree, European sophistication, olive tree. Buy it this week. Get a nice pot, place it strategically. Watch how it changes your entire space. Drop a comment right now. Which plant are you getting? What's your home aesthetic? What's your budget? I'll help you choose the right one. If this video just convinced you that expensive looking doesn't mean expensive, hit that like button. Subscribe for more ways to make your space look like $1,000,000 on a Target budget. And remember, luxury isn't about what you spend, it's about what you choose and how you place it. Go make your home expensive. I'll see you in the next one.